हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज हम लेसन 1 द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट डिड द ऑथर फाइंड इन ए जंक शॉप। क्या होगा इसका आंसर। द ऑथर फाउंड ए वेरी ओल्ड 19th century roll top desk in a junk shop. It was made of oak. It was in a very bad condition. The roll top was broken into several pieces. One of the legs was clumsily mended and there were scratch marks down one side. Okay. Second question है, what did he find in a secret drawer? Who do you think had put it in there? इसका आंसर क्या होगा। In a secret drawer of roll top desk, the author found a small tin box. There was a piece of lined note paper sellotaped to its top. It had Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes, written on it. इसके ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ था। To be buried with me when the time comes. ठीक है। Most likely it was put there by Mrs. Jim McPherson, who was Jim's wife. Her name and address were on the envelope inside the box. Okay. आगे हैं, ये तो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक था। अब आगे एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, हु हैड रिटन द लेटर टू whom एंड व्हेन। लेटर किसने किसको और कब लिखा। ठीक है। Jim McPherson had written the letter to his wife Connie McPherson on December 26, 1914. Okay. अब है सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, why was the letter written? What was the wonderful thing that had happened? क्या बताया गया है। क्वेश्चन क्या है, why was the letter written? लेटर क्यों लिखा गया। What was the wonderful thing that happened? कौन सी wonderful thing हुई। ठीक है। इसका आंसर क्या होगा। Jim wrote the letter to his wife about wonderful thing that had happened on Christmas Day. The British and the German were engaged in a war, yet on this way both the troops met in no man's land. It was a thing of wonder because right in the middle of a war the wearing soldiers were making peace. वायरिंग कौन होते हैं, जो युद्ध करते हैं, युद्ध करने वाले सोल्जर्स। ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या होगा, व्हाट जॉब डिड हैंस वॉफ एंड जिम मैकफरसन हैव व्हेन दे वर नॉट सोल्जर्स। क्या काम करते थे हैंस वॉफ एंड जिम मैकफरसन, जब वो सोल्जर्स नहीं थे तब वो क्या काम कर रहे थे। ठीक है। इसका आंसर क्या होगा। हैंस वॉफ वॉज फ्रॉम डेसेल्फडॉर्फ. He played the cello in the orchestra. Jim McPherson was a school teacher from Dorset. Okay. Fourth question है, had Hans Wolff even been to Dorset? Why did he say he knew it? क्या कभी हैंस वॉफ डॉर्सेट आए, वो इसके बारे में कैसे जानते थे। डॉर्सेट कहाँ है, लंदन में। ओके। जहाँ से जिम मैकफरसन आए थे। इसका आंसर क्या होगा। नो, हैंस वॉफ हैड नेवर बीन टू डॉर्सेट. डॉर्सेट कभी नहीं आए वो। हैंस वॉफ जो डॉर्सेट कभी नहीं आए। ही हैड लर्नड ऑल अबाउट इंग्लैंड फ्रॉम स्कूल एंड फ्रॉम रीडिंग बुक्स इन इंग्लिश। ठीक है। अब फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है, डू यू थिंक जिम मैकफरसन केम बैक फ्रॉम द वार। क्या तुम समझते हो कि जिम मैकफरसन वार से वापस आए होंगे। हाउ डू यू नो दिस, आपको ये बात कैसे पता लगी। इसका आंसर क्या है। No, it is most likely that Jim McPherson did not came back from the war. बहुत ज़्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो नहीं आए होंगे वार से वापस। ठीक है। In the sellotape note paper, it was written that the letter was Jim's last letter. Connie McPherson did not receive any more letters from him. It indicates Jim McPherson's demise. The incident took place around the earlier part of the World War I, in which the Germans had been victorious, which implies the defeat of the British एंड द डिमाइज ऑफ, डिमाइज क्या होता है? शहीद हो जाना, जिम मैकपर्सन। अब है पेज नंबर 15 पे जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है। वाई डिड द ऑथर गो टू ब्रिडपोर्ट? आंसर क्या होगा? द ऑथर वेंट टू ब्रिडपोर्ट बिकॉज दैट वॉज द एड्रेस वेयर मिसिज मैकपर्सन लिव्ड। The address on the letter read Mrs. McPherson 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport and Dorset. He wanted to give that letter back to her. वो लेटर उनको वो वापस देना चाहता था, किसको? मिसिज मैकपर्सन को, ठीक है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है हाउ ओल्ड वॉज मिसिज मैकपर्सन नाउ, वेयर वॉज शी? क्वेश्चन क्या है कि मिसिज मैकपर्सन अब कितनी बड़ी होगी, कितनी बूढ़ी हो गई हैं और वो अब कहाँ रहती हैं? आंसर क्या होगा? मिसिज मैकपर्सन वॉज ए 101 year old. She was in a nursing home in Burlington House on the Dorchester Road on the other side of town. Okay. पेज नंबर 16 पे जो क्वेश्चन है उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या है? Who did Connie McPherson think her visitor was? Connie McPherson उस विजिटर को क्या समझ रही थी? Connie McPherson thought that her visitor was her husband Jim. वो समझ रही कि उनके खुद के हस्बैंड ही वो है जो हमें मिलने आए हैं। ओके। विच सेंटेंस इन द टेक्स्ट शोज दैट द विजिटर डिड नॉट ट्राई टू हाइड हिज आइडेंटिटी? किस सेंटेंस से पता लगता है कि जो विजिटर था उसने अपनी आइडेंटिटी नहीं छुपाई? ठीक है। द सेंटेंस विच शो दैट द विजिटर डिड नॉट ट्राई टू हाइड हिज आइडेंटिटी इज क्या है? आई एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द डेस्क, अबाउट हाउ आई हैड फाउंड इट, but I don't think she was listening. Working on text. For how long do you think Connie had kept Jim's letter? Give reason for your answer. Connie must, answer क्या है? Connie must have kept Jim's letter for a long time. This is because she told the narrator how she read it quite often every day so that he could feel that Jim was near her. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है why do you think the desk had been sold and when? आंसर क्या है इसका? The desk must have been sold when the house in which Connie McPherson lived had caught fire. She was taken to nursing home. All the burnt of things must have been sold after that. Third question है why do Jim and Hans think that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflict? Do you agree? Answer क्या है? Jim and Hans thought that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflicts because nobody dies in matches, no children are orphaned, and no wives become widows. Due to these reasons, games are good ways for resolving conflicts. War only lead to death and devastation. Okay? Next question है do you think the soldiers of the two armies are like each other or different from each other? Find evidence from the story to support your answer. इसका आंसर क्या है? The soldiers of the two armies were like each other. Below are some instances from the story to prove. Both the armies celebrated Christmas. Both the armies shared their food and spent time together in smoking, laughing, talking, drinking and eating. They played a football match, agreed that conflict and disputes may be resolved by a football match. They agreed about the negative aspects of war and longed peace. They exchanged carols and hoped to unite with the families again. Next question है mention the various ways in which the British and the German soldiers become friends and find things in common at Christmas. आंसर क्या है इसका? The British and the German troops celebrated Christmas with each other. They enjoyed each other's food. All of them were smoking, laughing, talking, drinking and eating. Hans Wolff and Jim McPherson shared the cake Connie had baked. They talked about Bathsheba, Gabriel Oak, Sergeant Troy and Dorset. They even talked about the books they liked. They agreed about everything. Both the troops played a game of football for which both Hans and Jim cheered, clapped hands and stamped feet. They also exchanged carols at night. In this way, they celebrated Christmas together, finding a lot in common between them. 6th question है, what is Connie's Christmas present? Why it is the best Christmas present in the world? इसका आंसर है, when the narrator came to see Connie and gave her the box, she mistook him for her husband Jim. She took that Jim had come home for Christmas. This was Connie's Christmas present. It was the best Christmas present in the world for her, because Jim had written in the letter that he would come home on Christmas. She had read that letter several times every day to feel that he was near her. Now that he was finally there with her, she was extremely happy. 7th question है, do you think the title of the story is suitable for it? Can you think any other titles? आंसर क्या है? Yes, the title of the story is suitable for it. The spirit of Christmas is the theme that prevails throughout the story. The message of Christmas peace and goodwill to all is brought out so clearly through the story. It was on a Christmas day, in the middle of raging war, that two varying troops made peace. The moment of peace that the soldiers share with each other was the best Christmas present for them. Again, it was on a Christmas day that the narrator went to see Mrs. Macpherson. He went to return her husband's letter to her. The letter was precious to her, but even more precious was her delusion that the narrator was her husband Jim, who she believed had returned as promised on a Christmas day. This was the best Christmas present in the world. Suitable titles could be A Christmas with Wish Comes True, Somebody at Christmas, The Christmas Message. ओके, 3 और अलग से टाइटल हो सकते हैं.